How to share Facebook posts to Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Facebook application. Make sure you're logged into your account, and as you log into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now select on the gear icon and it will lead you to settings and privacy. So here tap on see more in account center option. As you do that, tap on sharing across profiles. So tap on this option and here tap on your Instagram account over here. As you do that, here you can see share from your Instagram or to your Facebook, and you just have to tap on automatically share your Instagram post, story and your reels over here. After that, go back and tap on your Facebook account as well, and here share to your Facebook story, Facebook post and so on. So you just have to toggle on these options, and as you do that, you'll be able to share Facebook posts to Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.